how to create an ebook and sell it on Amazon. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create an ebook and start selling it on Amazon very easily. So let's get started without wasting any more time. First of all, you have to search for kdp.com, or you can search for Kindle simply. Then tap enter. As you can see, this is the Amazon Kindle site. Here you can check it out, Kindle for everyone. So first of all, you have to go to this site, kdp.amazon.com. here, sign this site, and then you have to tap on to this one, publish ebooks and make money 100% free workshop. So there we go. This is what it looks like. Now you have to enter your first name here. Just enter your first name. You have to enter your email address. You have to enter choose your country, and then you have to enter your phone number. Then you have to enter your select a training session, and then tap on to yes, I want a free training session, for example this one, and let me add a random number, and you can just get a free training session from here. And you can start selling or creating a site. Let me show you how you can do it. Now let's say you directly want to create an ebook, and then here you have to go to this site, kdp.amazon.en, then bookshelf. Here you can see this. Now you have to enter some questions right here. You can see this. Yeah, you can just start. So these things where you can learn about it, that how you can create an ebook if you really want a practical, you can say, course. But here you can just start selling. So let's tap on to start free trial and enter our information. For example, verify you are a human, and then you have to enter your informations. You have to enter your email. For example, let me copy my email address for now. Okay, let's keep it. Let me just type in. So there you can see. Now you have to enter password of your own, then you have to sign in. Okay, so let me enter a password of my own, and then you have to tap on to get started. And tap on to get started. Wait until it. Okay, as you can see, email has been already taken, so I'm gonna just enter. And there are also a bunch of other websites instead of this. The main one, which is Kindle Direct Publishing site, here you can also use them to, let's sign in. I'm gonna show you how you can do it. Let's tap on to continue. So let's create my KDP account. Let's enter my name, my email address. Okay, so let's password. Then I'm gonna tap on to create my KDP account. Now you have to enter a secret code. So let me just enter my secret code really quickly. Let's tap on to create my account. Then you have to tap continue, like agree. Tap on to agree. So after clicking on to agree, there we go. You can now create your website. Just simply tap on to create, and then you have to enter all the informations according to your preference. For example, I'm going to create an ebook here. So there we go. Now you have to enter your language, that on what language you want to create your book. For example, there are a lot of languages available: German, French, Spanish, etc. You have to enter your book title. So I'm going to enter my book title for Wisdom Secret. Subtitle, I'm going to add it to the Wisdom Legacy. And okay, let me make it okay. Now you can add series from here. Like you can add series, like if your book is a series, like you want to publish multiple books, then you can tap on to add to series and then do it. You can enter the edition number. This is optional. Now you have to enter the name of first author. I'm gonna enter it to this, and then I'm gonna, okay, let me just show you where it goes. Jackie Chan. Then you have to choose author from here, editor, your first name. You can also add more. Now you have to enter a description about your book. Then you have to tap on publishing rights. Let's tap onto I own the copyright, I hold the necessary publishing rights. Make sure to do it, otherwise someone will copy your book and start selling, and you'll get harmed. You can choose primary audience, if you want it to, like, if it contains any sexual explicit images or not. You can tap onto yes or no. For me, I'm gonna tap onto no. You can select it, select the age from here, and you can choose a primary marketplace. For Amazon, you can choose amazon.com, Amazon UK, France, etc. You can choose the categories also, but for now, like, let me show you. You can choose the books categories like classic, general, or from here you can choose many more. For example, arts and photography. You can save the photographies. Now you can add your keywords right here. This is absolutely optional, but make sure to add them, because if you add them, people will get your book easily if they search something relevant. Now tap on to save and continue. Okay, let me add a category from here, and this, let's add save categories. So now you can tap on save and continue, and there we go, that's done. And you can upload your manuscript right here. Just choose the file, and then you can upload it up right here. You can launch the cover creator, and let's say let me show you how you can create a cover photo. Go to canva.com, sign in to your Canva. Let me sign in, and then at the search bar, let me show you. Wait, so there we go. Now at the search bar, search for ebook templates. Okay, so now just choose one and download one. You can customize this according to your need from here. You can customize this whole things, and you can just simply tap on the shareable option and download. And if you want to customize it, there are a lot of options available. Just check them out. Right now I'm not gonna show it because the video will be too long then. Now let's head over to this side. You can upload the cover photo right here. Okay, I just uploaded without cover photo mistakenly. Now you can choose one image based designs from here. So as you can see, it is loading my designs. Now you can preview and save it up, but I will suggest you to create one with Canva more advancedly, because they will be more advanced. So now let's preview it. So this is what it will look like. Here we can see. Now we can save and submit. Okay, let's tap on to exit. Okay, this is what it will look like, and that's it. Now you have to enter all this answer, and you have to enter these questions if you want, and then lastly you can save and continue. You have to enter your processing. Okay, okay, there might be some errors. Let's go to previewer and let's check it out. So this is what it will look like. Okay, you have to download this version right here, and then you'll be able to generate your ebook. So that's it. And if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and after tapping on save and continue, you can just tap on the pricings and set them up and upload it. Goodbye.